Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying to repair a CB boot on our car. It's completely cut in half. What I'm going to be using is a Dremel tool and some zip ties. So let's walk around where the car's at and get started. Alright, so just got finished putting on the water pump, timing belt seals, spent over $300 on parts alone, and notice that we've got a boot here that's cut. So I'm really not wanting to spend any more money at this time. We're putting more time into this car. I want to try to get it on the road and start driving it for a while. And so this is going to be like a temporary fix for now. As you can see, the boot is all the way off here. It's just in two sections. And it's starting to rain. Alright, there's three. I'm going to try to get at least three on the bottom side here. Alright, it's starting to rain, so I'm going to have to revisit this a little bit later. I've got 3 holes in so far. So it stopped raining, and I've got a couple more in there, so I've got a total of, I think, 5. I'd like to get one down here, but I don't really think I need to, and it's going to be really hard to do that. So I'm going to probably go with 5. Okay, at this point I'm going to be pumping some grease here to the ball joints there with my grease gun. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, so I'm just spreading it around. Alright, I've got the grease in, so I could use this clamp here, around here. The little slots that you see there, the zip ties will go through those slots. Anyway, let me show you here. So the zip ties will go through. If you use 2 hands, you can probably get them through there. So you just have to trust me, they will go through. But I may just use another zip tie to lock those in place. So we'll try that first, and if I don't like that, then I'll use the metal clamp. Okay, so just locked it in, but it's not zipped up yet. So we'll take this guy and put it under here. Okay, let's go ahead and lock that in place. Sorry about the camera work. I can't get a tripod in here, so I'm trying to do this with one. So you can see it's quite a mess here. I've got them all looped through the main zip tie here. I had to replace one with this white one here because I zipped it and it wasn't looped in, so I had to cut it and I used a white one instead. Also using this a white one here for the main one. You can see that it's pretty durable. It's not going to rip through that easy. So let's go ahead and zip them down. Okay, so here's where we're at. I've cut these off. I maybe cut them off a little closer. Here's the main one that they all link to, and you know, it's not gonna go past right here, so it's snug, so it shouldn't give way there. So I'm going to cut it off, and then we'll use some special tape that I have. Before I put that tape on, I will try to clean the boot up here, maybe the metal there a little bit, before I put the tape on. I've got some brake cleaner, and probably use that. All right, here we are with non-chlorinated, so we don't have to worry about it damaging the rubber or any plastic. Pretty much a no-brainer. Just clean it up really good and have it dry and clean for the tape. Okay, I'm going to try this flex tape here. Strong rubberized waterproof tape. It's pretty wide, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I think I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm going to go with it's like about 18 inches or so. Okay, so here's the first wrap. If you've never used this before, it has a leader film that you have to pull off before you start applying the tape. You just have to kind of keep that ahead. When I was wrapping this, I started from the bottom and then went to the top instead of starting from the top to go to the bottom. Just found it easier to go ahead and start at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and wrap this here over to about right here. So we'll be covering up these ends here. They're pretty sharp, so I could cut closer. But I may cut this one closer. Other than that, I think the rest of them will just press down. Flex tape is in place. More zip ties. You can never have enough zip ties. there it is. Okay, it probably would have been best to start out all the way back here, but this will probably work until I can get this fixed properly. So I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Pretty easy fix, inexpensive. Till next time, have a great day. Take care. Got a little update now on the boot here. It's been about 5-6 days. Person driving this is a teenager, so they were out of their car for a couple of weeks. So as soon as we got it repaired, everything repaired. They've been driving like crazy. Really kind of around town driving. They also work for Thor, so a lot of that kind of driving, I guess. Here is the boot. Still looking good from what I can see. Let's see if I can make it a little bit better here. Okay, see that black part up there that looks like it might be oil or something? That is where the tape has kind of turned up, so you can see the black part of the tape. Zip tie is still holding there, right beyond that place. So really not a problem. Yeah, I forgot to say. Yeah, we're talking about 350, maybe 400, close to 400 miles. So it looks like it's going to hold up for a while, and that is a good thing. So thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and good luck.